Hello and welcome to another episode of Rebel Rogue, where today I will be showing you how to edge highlight your miniatures.
Rebel Rogue.
To begin, I reset all of the base coats on the model and applied a simple highlight to the black armour. Next, using the edge of my brush, ensure that you have a fine brush, and dragging it gently along the sharp edges of the armour, I begin to pick out the prominent edges. I repeat the same steps as before, but this time using a slightly lighter colour. Again, repeating with the third colour, lighter still. Finally, whilst not shown in this video, I picked out the most important corners where light would catch with my brightest highlight. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share with anyone that you think could benefit from this information, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.